And hold. Get your legs straight. Get your legs straight, Irene. Okay, and come down. Let's go to our rock and rolls, okay? Rock. And rock. And one more time. Good job. Okay, windshield wipers. Alrighty, and really slow. And really fast. Okay, and let's go to, what are these called?
Baby headstand.
Alright, now when I do it, should I be able to see my hands?
Yes.
I should be able to see my hands, okay? You guys go to your baby headstands and I'll come and help you with bigger headstands. Put your head on the floor, hands right there, and go up and hold. 1, 2, 3. Try and hold it by yourself. I'm going to let go of you. Good try. Let's go back up. Keep your hands where you can see them, Christiana. And look at your belly button and roll and reach in